Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hey guys, Stephen I Fought from I Fought Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today's date is probably the 4th of December 2023. And Christmas is coming up very fast. Today we got XM binary, excuse me, and already it's starting to show the transfer. I've got what was it, 37,000 in there total from yesterday's payout. And today, let me refresh this. It's going to change that number into this number, the account balance. Now, the active deposit, it's getting transferred into the account balance as they start to pay me out. Every 24 hours, this happens. Now, let me show you what happens from yesterday. All these transfer or the deposit I made yesterday is getting paid out at this point of time, right at this time, New Zealand time, 11 a.m. on Monday. And I'm just showing you this, how great some of these crypto mining apps are creating massive fortunes for the people. This is just one of the many thousands of them. Cryptocurrencies, of course, with blockchain, supported also with artificial intelligence, AI, is causing havoc in the financial sector. You don't have to believe me, but you can believe me in this fact. You know, we can probably agree, excuse me, that computers is here to stay. And it's computer, you're reading these notes from me, and I'm getting these opportunities also. The important part is, if you're not involved in any of these digital income streams, you're missing out, because computers, as I said, using blockchain and artificial intelligence, going to take over the financial sector very soon. It's already starting and you're seeing it. Now, I'm making money. Okay, this is still going through the transfer every time oops, the wife's calling. She's in Australia at the moment. What was I saying? Making money with these apps. Now, this particular one is just going through the transfer. It's returning to me everything that I have invested yesterday back into what it's called a balance. This will give me what, 38,000, I think, or 39,000. We'll see in a moment. And yesterday's balance was only 37. So I'm collecting money as we go. And this is happening every 24 hours. The beauty of it is this. Let's have a look at the plan. This particular app, XM binary. If you want to join, there should be a link down the bottom of this video. And of course, at the same time, subscribe to my YouTube video. I'd be most appreciative if you do. That will help me achieve a few things with Google YouTube subscription. So please help me out on this one. Give it to me as a Christmas present. I need to hit 10,000 subscribers. Anyway, back to the plan. That's the plan that I'm on at the moment. I'm earning 6.2 every 24 hours. I should be up here at 12, double my money, but somehow it's still at 6.2. But even at 6.2% every day, it's a lot of money that I'm collecting from XM. Now, every day, this is all I do. I come in and collect my money. Okay, now, there we go. The new balance is $39,621.54. That has been transferred to my balance. Now, I can take it out. Okay, here we go. Withdraw if I wanted to, or part of it. I can. But at this point in time, it's only $39,000. I want to reach $1 million with the program. Now, I have calculated I'm supposed to reach the million within about this time, or middle of December, but somehow things happen, so it's going to drag on for a little longer. So I might reach my million probably around about March next year, 2024, because of the beauty of what this company provides. Now, let me explain. Now, let's look at my profit first, just to show you the profit I made one day from yesterday. Here we go. That's my profit there. I made $2,301.33 in one day. Imagine that. If you're getting this sort of income every single day, you'll be a happy person, of course. But this doesn't stay 2,312 cents 33 every day. It compounds. This is the beauty of this system. Now I'm going to reinvest the whole 39,000 US for the next 24 hours. About this time tomorrow, we'll click in, and my profit will be a bit more than what that shows. It'll probably be around about 25,000. 2,500, hopefully. Now, whatever the 6.2% from my new balance. Now, all I need to do now is transfer this balance into an active deposit. That means I'm going to redeposit the whole lot. I'm not going to take anything out. I want to reach my goal. It's a goal that I'm chasing. I'm not really interested in any withdrawal at this point of time. I've shown this video a few times. Deposit, it's also a reinvestment process, okay? Now, click on spend from account balance. Click on Bitcoin and change this number to whatever the number you want to reinvest. Now, you don't have to reinvest the whole lot. You can invest half of it if you wish and take out half. But I'm going to invest the whole lot, and this is my process, to reinvest the whole lot and enjoy the compound interest. The reason why there's small amounts, because I'm still stuck on 6.2% plan. Now, click on process, and $1,499 is reinvested back into the system. Now, all I've got to do is repeat this over and over again until I have reinvested all my 39,000, of course. It's a pretty simple process, only because I'm stuck at 6.2%. Now, manually, I've got to reinvest the whole lot at $1,499 every transaction. It is a slow process, but hey, it's paying me good money. So a little bit of work, it's not going to harm your bank balance, but continue to grow. More importantly, what I want to emphasize is, if you haven't started investing with cryptocurrencies or anything to do with investment, even in the stock market, you buy and hold stocks that pays you good dividend. But of course, you've got to wait the whole year for the company to pay you at least 1 or 2 dividends annually. Now, there were these systems, these modern system, computerized digital formats, however you want to call it, logged in with blockchain and AI, is going to take you places where you cannot work for money. It's computers who is generating the money for you. It's a program that's designed, but there's some intelligent people. And if you know anything about, algorithm and and computer language and all that, it's these geeks that are learning what computers can do, putting programs together. And the other reasons that the computer geeks world is taking over is because some of them, okay, not all of them, but some of them are quite fanatical about changing the world financial system. And they are very, very intelligent people. They're not stupid people who are putting these programs together. Now, you imagine if a genius person who don't like current financial system gets hold of some of these products, or say design, or was it software, or know how to change algorithm to suit whatever they want, then they can do that. And you might not understand it, but the computer world, you and I know, has been created and designed by intelligent people, just with computers. And computers, you and I know, come on, we can't get away from it. If we're not with it, if we're not using it, we could be left behind in, say, 5 to 10 years' time. And the important issue is, as I said, just take one of these programs. If it's not one of my programs that I introduce, and I got heaps of them, find one, research. There's heaps and heaps of these programs to do with cryptocurrency available out in the market. But you got to be careful. There's also a lot of scams. That's the only thing you got to watch out for. I've been hit by many scams, but I'm not going to allow scammers to stop me from pursuing my goals to be a billionaire. Now, that's up to me to understand, believe, and keep searching, keep trying. I'm not going to let scammers, scam me out of anything. In fact, I can say this. If you believe for one moment, if you did lose any money, for example, to scammers, don't believe it. You got to shift your mind to see, your money, even though you can't see it now, it's gone somewhere else. It's waiting for you somewhere else. It's up to us to look for that somewhere else to get hold of that money that we may think we have lost. And I guarantee you, if you swap your thinking mind into that sort of respect, you're going to reach that money that you think you have lost elsewhere. And you're going to be laughing to the bank. Okay, so the scammers can actually help you reach much higher amount of returns than what you might think you have lost. Sorry, I could be mumbling on here, but I guarantee you, just give that sort of a attitude a go. Instead of wasting your time trying to get your money that you have lost, spend that energy figuring out, okay, if that last program didn't pay you out, where is your money being held at? All because, just understanding, remember this, computers. Every time you and I do anything with investment or trading with cryptocurrency, it goes into what is called blockchain. Okay, blockchain is the mastermind of it all. It records everything we do in what is called blockchain. With AI, artificial intelligence, that's computers talking to each other, remembers all that. Okay, remember that you have made an investment in a certain area, then your money wasn't paid out, but the computers then start working a system to get you paid out elsewhere. And that's the important issue that you got to understand. Where then is your money? If it's not on the last, say, app or account or wherever that you may have seen to have lost that money, but in fact you haven't. It's just a matter of changing your mindset to understand what I'm talking about. Yes, we can look at things we have lost. Okay, nothing wrong with that. But if you just be aware of this other fact that I'm teaching you, Mr. Afford, your money is shifted elsewhere. Elsewhere will pay you a far better rate than your last, say, app or account. And the new area then you're going to shift into, trust me, will have far better rate, money, return, and greater service. Just remember that and understand that and believe that. Now, it's up to you to keep searching, looking for it. Do you understand that? It's up to you. And when you do find it, you're going to be surprised. You're going to be absolutely surprised where your money is instead of that last, worrying or spending your time, wasting your energy on that last account. Anyway, this is my last transfer, 634. And I'm reinvesting the whole lot of my balance. And now let's have a look. This should be back into the active balance, back to the machine. There we go, 39,000 US dollars. That's around about $60,000 New Zealand, I think, at this point of time. Now that's making money, just using the system. Tomorrow, 24 hours later, around about this time, I will come back and collect my profit. Now, that amount plus 6.2%. So if you get a calculator, that's how much I'll be making tomorrow. And this is all I do in this program, XM Binary. If you want to join, the link is down below. But you got to join with one thing in mind. Set a goal. How much money do you want to reach in the future? Okay, set a goal, then go for that goal. Don't worry about withdrawing. you're after a goal, because once these things clicks in, the number starts clicking in because it's in your account. Remember, it's in the blockchain, it's in the AI system. Remember, it's recorded digitally in computers. So once you see it in your computer in this program, I guarantee you nothing can stop it. It's already recorded. So if XM doesn't pay you, just remember, you got the numbers and it might pay you elsewhere. I'm not saying XM won't pay you. I'm just saying if XM don't pay you, just remember your numbers has been accumulated just from using computers that is attached to blockchain, because these are cryptocurrencies, of course, and AI, artificial intelligence. Hey, this is your Christmas present 2023. Take it, use it. Don't worry about withdrawal at the moment. Set a huge number ahead of you, say 3-4 years from now, and use this system to get the numbers. All you need is the numbers recorded within the digital formats that's inside the computers and linked with the internet. Get those numbers in your favor and watch the power of just having your numbers digitally formatted within these programs. But anyway, have a Merry Christmas. This is Stephen R. Ford. We love you, God loves you, and look after yourself. See you in my next video. Bye for now.